Hello and welcome to this tutorial on importing footage into Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Importing footage can be done in a number of different ways. I can right-click in my project window and select Import. I can also go up to File, Import, or I can hit Command-I on a Mac for import as well. Another option is to bring up, if you are using a Mac, the actual folder and drag and drop the clip into the project window. Before we get into actually importing clips, I want to talk a little bit about project management. As an editor, I like to keep my bins and my footage clearly defined and labeled. In Adobe Premiere Pro CS6, you can do this by creating bins by coming down here to create a new bin. When you click on that, a new bin will create it. I then label each bin by scene number. Scene 1. If I need to create another bin, I come down here, click that again, and it creates a new bin, and I can call this scene 2. So in scene 1, I'm going to double click, and it's going to give me what's in that bin. As of right now, we have nothing. I'm going to hit Command-I, which is going to bring up my import window, and scroll down to the folder I need, select my clips, and click Import. The program will import the files, and here we see them in this open window. Another way to bring in clips is to open up Scene 2. I come down here to my Finder window, which I already have open. I select a number of clips that I want to import, and then I drag them into this bin, and it will import those clips. I'm going to minimize my Finder window and close this. Now, as you can see, I have clips in both Scene 1 and Scene 2. I can minimize the bin by clicking on the arrow, expanding it to show the clips again. I can also zoom in and out, or I can change the look from simple description to an icon view. Here I can see the actual clip and scroll through it by just mousing over and pulling my mouse through the clip. Again, scroll through or double click to open it up in my editing window. Once you import your footage, one of the first things I like to do is I like to go through and rename everything if I haven't done so already, so that I know what the clip actually is. You can do this by simply highlighting the text, and then you can type in whatever you want the clip to be named. This makes it easier to find clips that you're looking for, and it will keep your bins clean and clear of clutter. This was a tutorial on how to import footage into your bins, how to create bins, and how to rename the footage that you import into those bins.